The University of the Basque Country has developed a new feasible technique for dismantling and repairing railway slab tracks. This is part of the European research project in 2-Track 3, within the Shift to Rail initiative. Derailments or soil movements tend to cause irreversible damages on the slabs, and its replacement is one of the main drawbacks of slab tracks. So far, the usual method for replacing this type of slabs consists of breaking the slab using jackhammers, with the consequent hazards and inconveniences in terms of noise, vibration, and dust. The University of the Basque Country has collaborated in the design of an open microwave system with the aim of damaging the bonding layer between the hydraulically bounded layer and a precast slab track using this electromagnetic technique. The goal is to weaken that intermediate layer and set free the slab. The equipment is mobile and able to adapt to different target heights. This equipment contains a 2.45 GHz microwave generator, a high-power reflectometer, an impedance matcher, and a waveguide antenna applicator. The system is completed with a chiller system and a leakage detection alarm. It is supplied with the essential items to avoid any danger. A specifically designed software allows to control all the equipment, being able to emit up to 3 kilowatts of power, modify the impedance of the equipment to reduce wave reflection, and record all the necessary data easily through its graphical user interface. Accordingly, multiple laboratory tests have been carried out on several materials with different characteristics. Increasing heating gradients have been applied in order to check the most effective combination. Thermographic cameras, thermocouples, and pyrometers have been used to assess the temperature at several positions. High temperatures, up to 250 degrees, are achieved in a few minutes, and different damage levels are demonstrated. Ballastless slab tracks are becoming the standard in several railway projects. The prototype is conveniently transportable to the railway track. The equipment can be set up in a few minutes, and the disruption and disturbances can be kept to a minimum. The noise level produced by the equipment is far below that of the train pass-by and much lower than that of a jackhammer.